This is the best chicken breast I've ever tasted. Simple, cheap, and very juicy. For this recipe, we will need 3 paulet.g. We'll make superficial incisions in each of them. How do you prefer chicken at home? I'd love to hear about your recipe. In the pan, I'm going to add 2 soup spoons of olive oil, 1 soup spoon of butter, and stir until it's completely melted. I'm sure that after preparing this chicken recipe, you will propose it as a main course at home because in addition to being easy to make, the taste is delicious.